Hi everyone, welcome back. Glad to have you here with us. Are you ready to make money in importing? Are you ready to start your import-export business? Because if you are, you're in for a treat. Today's topic is how to avoid being scammed on Alibaba. Ooh, Alibaba. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So how do you avoid getting scammed on Alibaba? Well, for starters, one way is don't use it. But that's not a good way because the best products are on Alibaba, so we're not going to cover that. Alibaba has cleaned up its act a lot. There's always been a lot of internal stuff that's been happening there, and that used to happen back in the old days. When I'm talking old days, I'm talking 10 years ago. You had a lot more stuff, a lot more scams, a lot more people were buying gold star ratings. People were saying, oh, you know, put up 5 years in service. There's a lot of stuff internal, but ever since they went public, so now they're on a stock exchange. I don't know which one, but they're on a stock exchange. And when you do a launch, you've got to clean up your act. When you do an IPO and you have to have, and you go to the SEC and you have to lodge papers, you have to clean up your act and have your company in good order. And Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, did just that. And he cleaned up. He found what was going on in his company and he cleaned it up. So Alibaba isn't as dangerous as it used to be. All right. So a lot of people are like, oh, Alibaba, I've got to make sure I don't send money over there. Well, I'll tell you what, there's a couple of tricks you've got to do, which I'll cover in a second. But it's cleaned up its act a lot. But there are other websites out there like Made in China, dhgate.com. I've imported using I've bought stuff and imported from the suppliers from every single website out there. You name a website, I've probably used it before. But there's a lot of other websites out there that you can use. There's a lot of research tools out there. But there's a couple of ways to avoid getting scammed. First of all, use escrow, right? Don't send friggin' 20 grand overseas. Don't even send 5, You can do escrow payments where it's held in trust by middle authority using Alibaba. You can do that. Second, never pay by Western Union. Whenever they ask, pay us by Western Union, walk away. It's not safe. It's not safe for you. It's not traceable. It's not trackable. So that anyone can pretty much have a fake ID in China, go into Western Union and take your money. And by God, it's friggin' easy to get a fake ID over there. I actually remember going over there. I was in Shanghai. I'm in Shanghai in December this year, by the way, guys. If you want to meet me over there and do some buying trips, I'm over there meeting a few suppliers. But, give us a call, 02-8003-7534. The number's on the screen there. Or private message me on Facebook or contact me on my website. I'm actually in China for about a week meeting up with suppliers. But if you want to actually learn one-on-one from me, contact me. So we're getting off topic here. Western Union, never pay by Western Union. And people can buy fake IDs over there just like that. You can buy fake passports, fake student cards that are all made in China, are all made there. And there's actually a place in Shanghai called the Copy Market, COPY, Copy Market, where you can pretty much buy anything you want. You can buy, excuse me, an iPhone. You can buy an iPhone over there that looks like an iPhone on the outside, but when you open it up, hey, what is this? It's a Samsung, but in an iPhone shell. So you got to give them, they're very creative. You've got to give them that. They're very creative. So guys, be wary. Don't send a whole lot of money over there. Do your research, do your due diligence. My name is Alex Ryan. I wish you the best on your importing journey. Give us a call. If you have any questions, the number's on the screen there. And we actually have a free video series at our website right now showing you how to import hot products from China. Talk to you real soon. See you later, guys.